Hi guys, welcome to Johnny Mathematics. This is the second video in my Simplifying Algebra series, and the next logical step is to look at negative numbers. Okay. Now, before we apply it to algebra, I want to make sure we can do negative numbers generally. Okay. So I want to make sure we are thinking correctly. So, for instance, if I said to you, what is the answer to that? Then, would you know what the answer is? Well, you probably need to visualize a number line like this, and it is -3, and you're going to go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 2. Well done if you got that right. Now notice I'm saying 2. I could just as easily say it in another way. Well, how could I say it? Well, I could say it as +2 is just as good as 2. What would the answer to this one be here? So 1 take away 4. Well, we're starting at 1, I'm going down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is -3. Let's just do a couple more here, a couple more. What about that? What about that? I'm not going to point this time. Well, we're at -5 and we go down 2, so we end up at -7. I think what I want to do is I'm going to write a bunch of questions like this just to start with, so we can practice our negative numbers. If you can do it without drawing a number line in your own exercise book, then fine. But if you have to, do. That is not a problem. Okay. So do these, please. And just set them out like mine. That's all right. Okay, do pause the video and let's see if we've got them right now then. So we've got -5, add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is -1. Well done if you got that right. We got 3, take 7, 5, 6, 7, -1, -4, -5. And I put this one on the board on purpose, 7 take 3, you know, just 7 take 3. Start at 7, +7, go down 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or +4. Just as good. And then finally, we're on -2, add 7, takes you to 5. And then we are here at 5, take away 8, gets us down to -3. Well done if you got those right. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to apply this now to some algebra questions. Okay. Well done. How's that, Nina?
Good.
Yeah. Nina's been helping me out with my A-level videos. Okay. So I imagine this is all right. This is a piece of cake for you. Okay. Right. So look at this. I want to go through a couple of examples take 3b. So it is starting to look quite complicated now. So if you have a look at this now, it says here, it says B, banana, which of course we're going to write as 1 banana. And all we're going to do is put the apples and the bananas together. So look at this carefully. We've got minus 4a minus 2a. So minus 4a minus 2a is minus 6a. What about the bananas? What's that going to simplify to? Can you think? Think. Well, we've got, that says 1 banana plus 1 banana. That says minus 3 bananas. So plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2b. That would be your answer. Okay, notice that I am setting it out underneath, not at the side, not equals. Okay, just like I said in that first video. Let's do another one. So, I don't know, let's go... So, you know, you can possibly pause the video now and see if you can get this right, and I will explain it. Okay, so banana, that is 1 banana. So we've got here 1 banana. By the way, that minus belongs to the 5 here, okay, not the banana, right? So that is 1 plus 1 minus 3. So plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2b. Then let's do the apples. Can you think what the answer for the apples is? We got that and we got that. So we got minus 5a plus 4a. So minus 5a plus 4a is minus 1a. Minus 1a, you can write that as minus a, can't you, to fully simplify it, but minus 1a is just as good, okay, not a problem at all. Yeah, so the other thing that I see people do is I see people put a plus minus a as part of their answer, and actually that isn't wrong, but you don't need the plus there, okay? It is just minus 2b minus a, that is it, done. Now, there's no getting round that this skill needs to be practiced, and probably more than what we're able to practice here with the board space, okay? So, I'm going to write a bunch of questions on the board. You need to be able to sit down, write the question down neatly, and the answer underneath it, please. stick with 5 of them. Again, do pause the video, please. Okay, right. Let's see. Let's see how we got on. Okay, let's see how we got on. It's the sort of thing there's going to be the odd mistake on. So look, it's not the end of the world if you make a little mistake on you know, a question. Okay, so let's say you got on. So we've got 2b minus 5b is minus 3b. 3 here, take 1a is 2a. So that could be written as 2 here minus 3b. It's just the same. Okay. Also, if you got just a bit of it wrong, half of it wrong, then put a circle around the bit you got wrong. Okay. You still got half of it right. This one here, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4b. Then we got 3 here minus 1 here is 2a. A little bit squished up here. Then here we got minus 1 plus 4, which is 3 here. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus b, or minus 1b. Okay, let's have a look here. Look at these cherries. We've got 3c minus 5c is minus 2c. Then we got minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Here, stick a 1 there and there. We got minus 1 add 3 is 2 here. Minus 1 is minus 2. And there you go. That's pretty much it. You know, you might have made the odd little mistake. That is not a problem. But that was algebra, simplifying algebra using negative numbers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.